Hello friends, welcome to Apna channel Puzzling Physics, and this aunty will help us to understand entanglement. And if you still don't understand, then we will play with dice. Okay, so let's start.
Hello, this is my son Ram. This is my another son Sham.
So aunty, tell us about your twin sons.
If Ram is sad at the same time, Sham must be happy. If Ram is laughing, Sham must be crying. Wherever they both are, but they possess opposite nature or temperament.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye aunty. Now let's send Sham to moon, and we are not giving them any device to communicate. So to communicate is impossible for these brothers. Now as we are on earth, let's go to Ram and check his mood. We need to observe his mood by using detector, that is our action or talk. Now he might be happy, sad, angry, confused, or all in one simultaneously. To check, I slapped him and he started to cry. Now tell me what Sham is doing now on the moon. He is laughing. Yes. And this happened instantaneously as per to auntie's statement, and she better knew her sons. Even though Ram didn't tell him anything, Sham laughed according to his temperament and relation of these brothers. So we can come to know about Sham in fraction of seconds, or we can say information traveled so faster. If slapping results in anger of Ram, Sham must be. Comment the answer of this first question, and options are angry, sad, calm, or happy. Now compare these two brothers with quantum particles. To generalize, let's consider two photons which has any relation between them. We can call that relation entanglement. Now let's compare all the things. Temperament relation of these brothers is just similar to spin relation of photons, which is always opposite to each other. One can have all feelings at the same time is similar to photons have all spins or all its possible states simultaneously. This is the superposition. When you observe spin of one photon which is entangled with another, and if spin observed is up, then definitely spin of another photon is down, whether it is near to the first one or in another galaxy. Even both photons have no mean of communication, they show opposite spin and it happens instantaneously. It shows information transferred faster than light. This blows out mind of Einstein, and he named this instant happening at distance as spooky action. भूतिया हरकतें कहा था आइंस्टाइन ने इसे. If you don't understand this concept until now, let's take dice. Now we have a rule in this game. Sum of these two dice must be 7. This is the relation or reason of entanglement between them. I have set these dices as per to rule, but you don't know this until you observe any one dice. It can show the number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So for us it is in state of superposition. Let's check first. Oh, it's 5. Now we can definitely tell that another dice have 2 on the top. Similarly, by observing states of one photon, we can tell the state of another photon which is entangled with first one wherever they are kept. There's nothing more than this in the word entanglement. If you are not observing the photons, it can be in state of upspin or downspin or both simultaneously, and when you observe any single photon, you can predict the state of another photon which is entangled with first or which is related with first by any mean, by any relation. So now let's play once more, but before this, hope you get the idea of entanglement. If still there's any question or confusion in your mind, please be frank to comment, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please share and subscribe the video to encourage me for more videos, and let's continue the game. Oh, it's 3 now. So you have to comment the dots on the another dice. I'm not going to remove the bowl. So comment both the answers about Sham temperament and dots on dice. See you soon in next video. Until then, take care, keep smiling and keep studying. Thank you so much.